All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to use the slope formula, which is the slope m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And here we're going to solve for y sub 2. Bless you. So now what's hard about this is I got to get this y sub 2 by itself. It's not that easy. So what I notice is that I've got x sub 2 minus x sub 1 on the bottom. Okay? Okay. What am I doing with that mathematically? I'm dividing by that. So how do I move it out from the bottom? I do the opposite of division, which is what? Multiplication. So in my next line, so I'm going to multiply this whole top line by the quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1, like that. Okay? Now, on the first side, when I go to distribute it through this side, it just cancels here. In other words, I'm just going to end up with y sub 2 minus y sub 1, because this will cancel with this. But now when I multiply it by this over here, I'm going to end up with m times the quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1. This is actually the point slope form. You guys don't know it yet because I haven't taught it to you. You might have covered it in pre-algebra a little bit. I don't know. But now I want to solve for y sub 2. So what do I got to move away from y sub 2? Y sub 1. Yeah. So what is y sub 1 doing to y sub 2? Subtracting. So what do I got to do to move that away? Addition. So I'm going to add y sub 1 to this side, and whatever I do on one side, I got to do on the other. Now, one thing that Mr. Adams, I kind of explained it in the earlier examples, but I just want to remind you guys, none of these are like terms. Leave that open. None of these are like terms, so I can't combine them. I can't simplify them. So I'm literally just going to say y sub, I'm literally going to say in this next line, m times the quantity x sub 2, this is an x. It's not the easiest to draw with this tablet. This is an x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And I'm just going to say plus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2. And that's it. Okay? Now later on, when we start graphing linear equations and they give us the slope and a point on the line, we're going to use this exact same formula. And they're all derived from the same thing. Okay? It's the mathematical relationship between the rise over run and 2 points on a line.